Hello, welcome. Today's video is a shoe haul. I have ordered a few boxes of shoes and I'm gonna try them on and see which one fit better so I can keep them, and the ones that I don't feel comfortable I will return. Some of the shoes I have ordered from Nordstrom, some of the shoes I have ordered from Amazon and dealers, and also from Sackfit Avenue. And let me show you what shoes I ordered. I'm gonna be trying them on and I will keep what fits better. Well, I never done this kind of videos. This is the first time I'm doing shoes try on. They had a few specials at Nordstrom at the Nordstrom anniversary sale and also Amazon. Well, I have to say this, I am not a model, I'm not an expert on video filming. So this video is more like natural. I don't have any expertise. It's more like kind of my own files, video files, personal video files. So I am not an expert. So my videos are mostly natural. I don't even have a big lighting studio, nothing. It's home video. So there may be some mistakes. I don't know. This is my first time doing this type of shoe try on videos. So I don't know if I'm gonna be I don't know if it's gonna be good or bad. It's gonna be my own style. So let's begin. It's really hot here for all this lighting. I have the lights very close to my face because if not, the camera looks like the video looks dark. I don't know what's going on with my camera. This first box I ordered from dealers and it's a big box. These are boots. I bought this a few months ago when they still had the boots on special price. These boots were on sale. I don't think I can return them anymore, but I'm gonna try them on and I'm gonna show you. I don't know if they will fit right because these boots are wide calf and I am short. My shoe number is 6, just for reference. So let me show you what boots. Well, I was a little bit overweight. I'm losing weight now, and the regular calf didn't fit. So, but now I already lose like 10 pounds. I lost like 10 pounds, so I am not sure. I am not sure if this will be too big for me anymore. Let's see. Let me show you. And this is from the brand Melani. Well, these boots were on sale at dealers, and these I cannot return. I'm gonna keep them even if they don't fit. If they don't fit me, I will sell them. But the price was really low for these boots, so I hope they fit. I don't know if they have this style available at dealers anymore, but these are really nice boots. I'm going to leave the link of this book down in the description section in case if they are available. But these are really nice. I don't know if they are available at dealers, but I'm gonna look somewhere else and I'm gonna link it if I find them. If I find them, I will link for you. These are white calf. This is the number 6. This is supposed to be leather. These are really nice boots. I like them a lot. The color is kind of is brown. It's kind of a reddish brown. I like that they are more like an everyday use. I can walk a lot with this. The sole is rubber, and it has the zipper on the inside of the leg. Look at these. These are really nice. These are really nice, but they are really, really wide. Wow. And like I told you, this is number 6. My number is 6. Sometimes 6.5 feet, but most of the time is 6. And sometimes when the shoe is too small, then I got the 7, but that's very rare. Next 2 boxes are from Amazon. I ordered these shoes from Amazon.